Hello guys, welcome to day 4 of creating amazing AI agents using n8n automation. Today we have created yet another super n8n automation using which through Telegram we can send some audio kind of messages and get response back to them using LLM. So for that first let me show you the demo. So I came to my Telegram bot which I have created and I'll click on this mic button and tell something. Hey, can you please tell me what is machine learning and artificial intelligence and how or why generative AI is more superior than them? Can you please explain it to me? So, the moment when I sent this particular message to my Telegram bot, automatically it came to my n8n automation flow through Telegram trigger and it has downloaded the audio file and it has transcribed it using OpenAI and also it has responded to that transcribed message using OpenAI and it sent back the message to me via Telegram. So if I go and see in my Telegram now means you can see right here I have sent my particular audio message and after that it's automatically telling us the results. So I asked about machine learning and artificial intelligence, so it gave me that details, and about generative AI also it has given me all the details. So you can also build this kind of simple automation flow of audio inputs and getting back responses using LLM. So for that let me show you how we can do that from step 1. So for that first I will delete this particular flow and will show you once again. So as when we are testing we need not to activate this particular thing, so I'm deactivating this flow. So before creating this flow, first you need to understand how we can create a particular Telegram bot inside Telegram and how to give access to n8n automation flow to that particular Telegram bot. So for that, first go to your Telegram and search for bot father. So if you search for bot father means you can get something like this. You please click on this one. So I have already created my chatbot using this bot father. I'll show you how I have created. So once you come to this bot and click on start, you can get some message like this. So after getting this message you click on new bot, then follow the instructions given by that particular bot and give the names accordingly. So if you follow those details means automatically you can create a new bot and you can get some access token for that bot. That is nothing but this particular token. So clearly remember this token or copy this or come back to Telegram whenever you need that particular access token, because only using that access token we can connect our Telegram bot to our n8n automation flow, and you can go to this particular bot by clicking on this link. So I'm already using this particular bot, so that's why I already sent the messages, right? So that's why it's visible like this. So and also please remember the access token, because that access token we are going to use in n8n automation flow. So now let's come to n8n. So to create this flow, basically first we need to activate a trigger through Telegram, because only when a user sends a message to that particular Telegram bot, then only this flow will start, right? So that's why I'll add a first step like Telegram trigger. So I'm selecting Telegram and it's showing us all the trigger actions which were available. So we want to send activate this flow when a new message has been arrived, right? So I'll click on this new message. That means on message. So I have already connected my Telegram account here. So if you want to create new means click on this create new credential and paste the access token of the new bot which we have created in bot further previously, which I had shown you in this bot further. So after doing that, it will automatically take Telegram account as a custom already created account, and the trigger I'll keep the same on message. And yeah, I'll start executing the step. So once I click on executing the step, it is listening for some test event. So I have to go to Telegram and create an event. So I'll go to Telegram and I'll go to my assistant. That means the bot which I have created, and I'll create an event here. So maybe I can type like, or I can speak like, hi, hello, how are you? So I sent this particular audio message like, hi, hello, and how are you. So the moment we send that message, you can see in the output screen right here in n8 and automation flow in on message trigger, we got the audio file here. So we have that file type as audio, and file id is this one. So once we get the audio file, what we need to do is we need to download that audio file inside our n8 and automation so that we can use it to transcribe. So for that, once again I have to select next step as telegram only. But this time after selecting the telegram, we have to select one action like file actions. So in file actions we have a get a file, right? We have to click on this get a file. So using this only we can download the file which we got from our previous step. So when I open this get a telegram file, automatically in the input side, that means in the previous, from the previous side we got some output, right? That output we can use as an input in the next step. So in this input I have file id option here, right? So that file id I'll copy and drag them here. So once I drag them and uh, execute the step, so you can see here, right? My file named file7.oga, and it has been saved into a variable called data. So using this data variable only, we are going to transcribe this audio into text first, because only when we transcribe that text, then only we can pass the particular message in the text or audio file to the llm model. So that's why I'm going to transcribe it. So for that, I'm going to use my OpenAI account. So I'll click on this OpenAI, and inside that OpenAI, we can have some action called audio actions here. In that audio action, we have a second option, right? Transcribe a recording. I'll click on this transcribe a recording. So once I click that, it will ask us to set up credential of our OpenAI. So if you want to create a new OpenAI account, means you can click on this create new credential, and can give you the OpenAI API key which you have. I already given that, so that's why it's directly showing me OpenAI account. So yeah, that's all. And resource will select the audio only, and operation is going to be transcribing a recording. Keep it like that only. And input data field name is data, because in previous step we get a file from telegram, right? That file has been named as data, so that's why we have to give that particular data only here. And if I click on the execute step, means you can see that my audio will be transcribed. So here you can see, right? Hi, hello, how are you? So this is the message which I told through my telegram bot audio message. So that's why that has been transcribed. Now we got a transcribed message. Now our task is going to be like analyzing that transcribed message and passing it to llm and get the result. So for that, I'll add another step. This time also I'll add OpenAI only. But this time in OpenAI, I'll select an action called message a model. That means we want to message a model to get an output. So I'll click on this message a model, and OpenAI account I'll keep the same. So text is the resource and message a model is the task which we want to do. And from model list, I can select any model. For example, if I want to select some 3.5 model, I can enter 3.5 and search. Then I got all the models which were in 3.5. I'll select this one, GPT 3.5 turbo, and we can give particular prompt here. If you see in the left side, means previous all steps will be there, right? Out of all those steps we'll get some outputs, right? All those outputs will be inputs to this particular uh, field or step. So that's why I have OpenAI transcribe output, which is nothing but hi, hello, how are you. I'll simply drag and drop these text here. So this is going to be my particular prompt which I had given. So and uncheck this simplify output, and execute the particular step. So if I execute this step, means we got output and we have content here, right? So it's telling hello, hi, hello, I am just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here to help you. How can I assist you today? So this response is with regarding to our audio message which we have sent previously, which is nothing but hi, hello, this kind of message, right? For that we got this kind of response. So now we actually put a trigger to get a message from Telegram, and we downloaded that file. And in this step we have transcribed that step using OpenAI. And in this step we have messaged a model. That means we gave a prompt of our transcribe to the LLM to get a response. So after this, one more thing which we have to do is we have to send the response which we got from this model back to Telegram. So that's why in the next step I'll add Telegram once more. So I'll click on Telegram. So this time, so instead of activating a trigger or getting a file, we need to send a text message, right? So that's why I'll select, or I'll enter send text message. So when I click on this send a text message action within the Telegram app, so we'll get it like this. So here two fields we need to fill. One is chat ID. So this chat ID you can find inside our Telegram trigger action which has been taken during initial time. So here you will have some IDs, right? So all these IDs were same, from ID and chat ID. So we have to copy that or drag and drop that in this particular chat ID. So that's why our bot will know that okay, we need to send message back to this particular chat ID. So like that. And text is nothing but the message which we want to send back to the user. So in my case I got this response from my OpenAI, right? So I'll copy or I'll drag and drop this particular content here. So you can see, right, result has been updated. And when we click on this execute step this time, so you can see that already I got some message in my Telegram, which is nothing but the message which OpenAI had given us. So that is nothing but hello, I'm just a computer program, so I don't have any feelings, but I'm here to help you. How can I assist you today? So like this, we can create a different audio automation through LLM flows using this n8n. So finally, we have to do one more thing here. That is nothing but we have to activate this flow, because only when we activate this flow, when we send after activating this flow only, when a user sends a message from Telegram, it will automatically execute all this flow. Otherwise it will not execute any step. So that's why I have activated this particular flow. And once again I'll show you the demo. I'll go to this AI assistant once again, and I can tell like, hello, today I have created a video on particular task called n8n automation. So for that, I have used a Telegram bot, and I used some audio transcription to get message from user, and send it to LLM, and get back the response in text format. Is it a good project? So I have sent it exact message which is nothing but which is the thing I have explained to you till now, and asked whether it is a good project or not using some audio file. So I sent that file, and within 5 to 10 seconds only, within 5 seconds only, you can see right clearly. So it has sent me message like, yes, using n8n automation to create a chatbot with audio transcription capabilities is definitely a good project. So uh, to whatever question I'm asking, it is simply converting that audio message into some text format and sending it back to LLM to get the response. And finally, the response is being sent to my Telegram bot. So, yeah, this is all about today's video. I hope this video is useful to you. So, if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if there were any suggestions to me, please reach out to me on LinkedIn, or comment your opinions in the video comment section. And thank you. Let's meet on day 5 of creating amazing AI agents. Thank you.